So hey everybody, Dave and I are down here in Pak Nam Pran at the food festival here. We were just at one last weekend, right?
Wahin on the Beach 2025 Food Festival, which was amazing.
Yeah, and that was in Kautakia. But we're down here in Pak Nam Pran. They have their own food festival this weekend. It's the Gastronomy Culinary Festival.
Oh, it's gastronomy?
Called. I think so.
I called it gastronomical. Oh well.
Oh well, but we're going to share with you what we've got going on down here, so hold tight. There's always something going on here in Thailand, wherever you're at, some type of festival, something to do. Right down here at the beach tonight, this is what we've got going on. We have music, and it's early in the evening, so things don't usually start getting hopping until at least 7:30ish for most festivals down here. But Dave and I are kind of early to get to things, and we don't typically stay out too late, so we're hitting this up right now. And look at there, that's what it says.
I'm gonna take a picture in front of that and use it as my thumbnail for my video.
Okay, gastronomy, food and culinary. Stand corrected, because as we come down here onto the beach, we don't even see any tables available for us to sit at. Check this out. It is packed down in there, and it's still early. What you doing, Dave?
I am thinking I'm going to walk right down here and take a video of the 50 food vendors.
I know, this is incredible. Look at everybody lined up here, all the tents. So Dave, have you seen anything you want yet? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through and see what I want now.
But I'm probably going to start with a smoothie.
Sounds good. These are those coconut custards. They're actually really, really good. That's kind of what they look like. They're very soft. They kind of melt in your mouth when you eat them. It's a fried oyster omelet. Ooh, fried ice cream. And prices. I just saw Dave. He's got a couple chicken kebabs, and he told me that there's ribs down here, and I love ribs, so I'm gonna go check that out right now. Let's see what they have here at the barbecue. Ooh, look at the ribs. That looks so good. Yeah, I'm getting some of those. Here we go. We got these ribs up in Kautokeino at the other festival, and they were fantastic. So I'm hitting them up again because I love ribs. Dave and I come to these events and there's always a stage, something going on. We have no idea what's going on because obviously we don't speak Thai, but they've had dancers up on the stage, and then the people down here in the red, white, and blue shirts are trying to follow along. Just brought me a smoothie.
Oh, I didn't bring it for you. I'm sharing mine with you.
What do you get there?
I have crab fried rice, and you're going to take the first. You're going to take the first bite. There's some spicy sauce on it. I don't know how spicy it is.
Good.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we don't know what's going on. It's kind of like a Thai-style line dancing party going on down here on the beach. But it's fun. The names are kind of funny. Look at fishy balls, right? And then we got piggy dumpling here. Mrs. Big right there. See if we have any other funny signs.
Yum spicy lips.
I have yum spicy lips, don't I? Did I convince you to get ice cream?
Oh yeah, you twist my arm. Hot chip. Up in the top. What you doing?
I'm filming you.
And what am I doing?
Getting ready to eat that wonderful
And for the video,
ice cream.
these were 55 baht each,
Yep.
which is about $1.50. You kind of got to dig at it because it's fried.
All right, try it.
Well, you got a banana.
That's good.
It was good, right?
Ice cream is gone.
Ooh,
Ooh, pomelo. Oh, thank you. If you haven't had pomelo, you need to. It's delicious. It's kind of like a grapefruit,
But better.
but better.
Way better.
Not as tangy, a little bit more sweet, a little bit more mild.
Juicy
And
but not
2-pack
messy.
for $100.
And it's juicy but not messy.
Yeah. Thank you.
เพชรชูวินการ์เด้นพร้อมนครศรีธรรมราชเขาเตือนอภัย
Yeah. Haven't. That's a wrap. Our night is done.
Baby.
Dave, does she remember you?
No.
She just
No.
looked at your belly and said, baby?
Yeah.